everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new vlog now. I've actually just finished working for the day and I am now going to start off my after work routine and show you guys what that actually looks like. So my after work routine still consists of me doing a little bit more work because during the day I'm really busy with just, creating content, planning the content. I'm busy with client CVs and I don't really get a chance to go through the content, edit the content, and then schedule that and post that over to my social media accounts. So yeah, I'll be continuing on with a little bit of work. It is now almost 6 o'clock and I think I'm pretty much done with what I need to do before I do get into my routine. But at 6 o'clock I actually just take a break for a bit and get up from my chair and go watch the news. So I'm going to go ahead and watch the 6 o'clock news and just get up to date on what's happening in the world, what's happening in Australia, and then I will take you guys along for my after work routine. So let's go. It's also time for a quick snack. I am getting very hungry and I don't have any dinner prepared at the moment, so I'm going to have a look what's in the pantry and I'll be back.
Australia's COVID patients who sent Byron Bay into lockdown. The diagnosis we lost control of Delta revealed. The state's top doctor, Kelly Chad.
Alright, so I'm now back at my desk. I only end up watching about the first 10 to 15 minutes of the news. I now need to edit a YouTube video which actually has to go up tonight. I have started editing it, so I'm just going to quickly do the final touches, get that ready, get that uploaded to YouTube, put in all of the description box details, and then I am going to have a look into getting some dinner ready. Really not bothered with cooking tonight. I think I'm just gonna have like Maggi noodles, and excuse the mess at the bottom there, that's just me setting up my Depop account. I've been really busy trying to take some photos and get my Depop ready. If you're after any pre-loved items of mine, then I'll just leave my Depop down below in case you're interested in checking that out. And I also do need to post to my Instagram socials as well. I haven't done that yet. And I think we might do a little bit of online shopping tonight. I love having a look around and seeing, what sales are going on, what I can, add to my wardrobe. It's currently winter here in Australia, so I want to actually pick out a few summer pieces so I'm ready and in time for summer. So yeah, and also just want to mention that this video is sponsored by ShopBack. I'll be talking about ShopBack a little bit later on in this video when it comes to shopping time. So let's just continue on with our evening. Alright guys, so I finished editing my video and I'm just in the process of creating a thumbnail so I can get that done and out of the way. So let me show you what the thumbnail actually looks like. You guys would have already seen this video, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is a thumbnail that I'm actually going with. I don't know if it's catching or what, but yeah, I don't have any more time to play around with it. So this is just gonna be it. So let me upload that now. Alrighty guys, so it is now 7:08. Let me show you my new clock that I actually picked up. It's so cool. So this is my new analog clock, which I'm really, well, it's digital, but yeah, I do really like it. I think it just adds a bit of, aesthetic to my workstation. So yeah, I do really like that. But it is now dinner time, so I'm gonna go ahead and get myself some dinner, make me some noodles because I'm lazy and I don't have time and I just want to get a lot of things done. So let's go make some dinner and I'm gonna go ahead and watch some Love Island. I've been loving that show recently, so I'm so excited to binge watch that. This is what you'll see me in 9 times out of 10 working from home. It's just this cute lounge set that I'm wearing from Nap. I will leave that down below in case you are interested, but it's just this chocolate brown cashmere sort of lounge set. I've got trackies on, and yeah, very, very comfortable, very perfect for winter, and very, very appropriate because you sort of have like that business attire on the top. I mean, you can't really tell, it just looks like a sweater, but yeah, I'm comfortable, I'm feeling confident, and I'm definitely warm, so that's always great. Now let's go. Alright guys, so just finished up with my dinner. I had just simple noodles, as you guys saw. I now have a little dessert that I want to enjoy. It is the Magnum Mini, and this is the almond version. So I've really been liking these a lot lately. If I can actually open it. Cool. It's honestly so good. I'm actually still feeling a little bit hungry from my dinner, so hopefully this can do it because I'm very lazy today. Not feeling like doing any cooking, any sort of, you know, anything at all really. So you want to hear the bite on this one? I don't know, you probably didn't even hear that. By the way, I said I was going to watch Love Island for dinner. I didn't actually end up watching it because I know if I sit down and watch it, then I'm not going to really get up. And I still have a lot of things to do, so I thought I'd just watch some YouTube videos, catch up on my favorite YouTubers. A lot of you guys were asking me about my favorite YouTubers as well. I actually follow a lot of Australian YouTubers. They are my favorite YouTubers. I really like lifestyle vlogs, watching that. So I watch Madison Woolley. I really like Annie Jaffrey as well. She's not Australian. I like Shani. I think she's cool. Sammy Robinson. Who else is there? I can't even remember right now. But yeah, those are a few. So I'm just gonna quickly watch something on TV. I'm not even sure what's coming on, just until I finish having my ice cream, and then we got to get back into work. I need to actually still post my Instagram photos, and it's 8 o'clock now. So yeah, I used to watch the Olympics, but that's not even on anymore. Oh, I've got The Voice, so I can probably watch The Voice. I really enjoyed watching the Olympics. I thought it was just really good. I definitely very much enjoyed it. Kind of sad that it's over now, but what can you do? Yeah, I'm just gonna have this. Alright guys, so just finished having my dinner. I'm back at the table. The plan now is to just relax for a little bit before I start writing my to-do list for tomorrow, and before I get into my nighttime routine. But I just wanted to mention that this part of the video is sponsored by ShopBack, and the reason I mention that is because we are going to be doing a little bit of shopping every night. This is a bit of a guilty pleasure of mine, but I end up doing a little bit of online shopping. I mean, we're all in lockdown, so why not? But not only that, I do have another brand for which I do create styling content for, so if you're interested in any of that, I'll leave it down below anyway for you guys to check out. But I try to source new outfits all the time, so I try to keep on top of the trends, and that is why I wanted to mention ShopBack. So ShopBack is a cashback platform where you can get cashback from your online purchases. There are over 1,400 shops available on ShopBack. They range from beauty, travel, groceries, fashion. A few of my favorites include Kmart, Princess Polly, Iconic. Recently, what have I been purchasing? Let me get my app open because I have actually purchased a few over the last sort of week or so. So we've got David Jones, we've got Sephora, eBay Australia. I purchased a few things from The Good Guys, Amazon Australia, Maya, and yeah, honestly, there's so many shops available. It's honestly so simple and straightforward to use. You're able to download the app, which is what I've got, and then when you find your shops, you're able to navigate through ShopBack, and that will take you to your online shopping retailer. And whenever you make a purchase, and it'll automatically give you the cash back. Otherwise, what you can do as well, and I've got this set up on my desktop as well, where you are able to download the plugin, and that's what I've done. I like doing my shopping on my desktop, and if you download the plugin, it will actually notify you as well if there is a ShopBack affiliate for the retailer that you're shopping for, and it'll just remind you to let you know to turn on ShopBack and to activate it, and then you're good to go. So it's definitely a very handy feature, and I've honestly really liked using it. So my lifetime earnings so far is $217.89, which I think is absolutely insane. So that money will be credited back into my account, and on top of that, you're able to take benefit of the exclusive offers and discounts. So that's just savings on top of savings, and then that is all credited back into either your PayPal account or your bank account. ShopBack have been kind enough to provide you guys with a coupon code here, which I will leave on the screen and also in the description box down below, where you'll be able to get a $10 sign up bonus when you use my code or the link down below for when you're shopping next time via ShopBack. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump onto Sephora. I've got a few items that I wanted to pick out, so I'm just going to enable ShopBack on my desktop and get shopping. So as part of my day today, I was shooting some content for my Instagram page. I've got a collaboration that I'm working on, so I'm just going to go through my phone, and actually I don't know why I've got these on, oh my goodness. I'm going to go through my phone and pick out and favorite some of the photos from today, and hopefully I can post that now. So I'm just going to go through, and as you can see, a lot of photos to go through. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, now comes the time where I sit down and plan my to-do list for tomorrow. I know in my previous videos I mentioned that I usually do this on the day of my work, but I think lately what I've been doing is writing my to-do list the night before, and I just feel like it really helps me with envisioning what needs to be done for the next day, and it just keeps me really motivated. For example, if I was to just wake up without knowing what's on my agenda for the day, I don't feel as motivated or as, you know, energized for the day, because I'm still yet to find that out. So I also think, you know, writing your to-do list on the day is a little bit time consuming, and I would rather just jump into my day and know exactly what needs to be done and not waste any time. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now, and write myself a to-do list. And another thing that I've changed and I've recently been enjoying is not having a paper to-do list. I know that I mentioned in a lot of my last vlogs that I like writing things down, but I think I have recently just tried to use OneNote and make a to-do list on there and cross it off as I go. I already use OneNote as it is to plan my YouTube videos, and I make, you know, notes or talking points for my videos, so I thought I would use OneNote to create my daily to-do list. So I already have one that I did for today, and I couldn't get through and check off all of the points. So what will happen is I will then go ahead and write my to-do list for tomorrow and delete everything that's been done and leave everything that hasn't been done for the to-do list, and do that first thing tomorrow. So let me show you what I mean. So this is my to-do list for today, and I've actually already gone ahead and written down Friday, because I am now going to delete everything that I did today, and now I've got these things pop up. So I generally like to add things to my to-do list whenever they do come to mind. I don't really care if my to-do list is very long. I know that I'm not going to get everything done, but as long as I've got it, you know, out of my head and onto somewhere so I don't actually forget. So this is what I do. I just keep adding things on. So if I was to create my to-do list for tomorrow, basically what I need to do is I'm going to do emails, I'm going to shoot videos, shoot reels, yes. So that's what I've got there to do. These are priority items, and then I'll go ahead and do the rest of them. And honestly, that's just what's been working for me lately. As you would have seen, I tried to segment my days and focus on one brand a day, because if I was to focus on two, then I usually get very sort of cluttered and I can't really be in the zone for the brand. And because they're two separate things, one is obviously fashion and one is more career and personal finance, I feel like I need to be in the zone for that whole day to be able to think of content, plan, you know, quality content for you guys. So that's what I've been doing. So today was a by Sanjna day where I did a lot of fashion, lifestyle vlogging and creating content, whereas tomorrow is going to be the opposite. It's going to be for this channel. So that's really how I sort of divide my days up and plan accordingly. And I like the process that I have going at the moment. It's been working. If something doesn't work, I will let you know. But that is essentially my after work routine. I am now going to just relax for a little bit and go take a shower, do my nighttime skincare routine. If you're interested in any of that sort of stuff, you know, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, then be sure to follow me on by Sanjna. I'll leave it down below in the description box. But yeah, it's almost 9 p.m. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing some online shopping, get comfy in bed, and I'm gonna watch Love Island. Drop me a comment down below if you guys are watching Love Island as well. But that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Thanks, guys.